I'm Scott McMurray, Deputy Commissioner of the Global Commerce Division for the Georgia Department of Economic Development. I'm thrilled to represent our department in recognizing Mama Geraldine's as one of this year's winners of the Small Business Rockstar Awards. The success of Georgia's retail food industry is evident in the worldwide distribution of Mama Geraldine's cheese straws and Bodacious snacks. A business that began in a home kitchen and with memories of Cathy Cunningham's mother as she made her delectable cheese straws to share with other grateful snackers has become wildly popular in Georgia and across the world. Congratulations to the entire Mama Geraldine's team.